Hola, clase. Mr. Cappy here. Just wanted to show you how to do this Thinglink Maps assignment. So we start out by filling out this chart here, which is what you're going to do in class today. And you figure out what each one means. You can look it up in the vocab that it states. So if I wasn't sure what comer pollo meant, I could go to the food vocab and I'd find comer means to eat and pollo means chicken. So now I want to use one of our new community vocab words to talk about what's a place in the neighborhood, place in your community, where you would eat chicken at. And the obvious answer is restaurant. So I'm going to write in Spanish, restaurante. And then to finish it off on the right side here, I'm going to say that I do that in Spanish. So I'll take the verb comer and conjugate it to make it say I eat chicken. We know that means take off the ER, put on the O. So como pollo. A el restaurante. You could also use al, which is what we talked about before, or in el restaurante would work too. Any of those are acceptable choices here. So we now have that set up. Once you fill out this sheet and picking 6, 8, or 10 of them, depending on what kind of a score you want on this assignment, you're going to go and do the rest of it here. So you're going to come down here, you're going to go to Thinglink and sign in. That's going to look like this here. Here's Thinglink. I signed in already. You'll press create and image. You need to find an image that you want to use for the map. You can create your own, or in the directions, I've given you 2 examples you can pick from. You can click on one of those in order to go there, and then we can save that map. All right, there's 2 different choices there you can pick from, example 1 or example 2, or you can go pick your own if you'd like. I'm going to choose this one here. We'll save it. And then when I go in here, I will click on here to find it. I'll go down to my location where I saved it, put the town map in, and continue. It'll now create a town map for me here. Click on that. Click on the edit button here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to select those locations that we had made, and we're going to add tags to it. So I'm going to start by adding a tag for my restaurant. So I do have, there's an Italian restaurant over here. I'm going to mark it right there. You can be whatever you want to be, whatever kind of design you want to put on this, you can. But you're going to have to do multiples. So for at least 2 of them, you just do a text label. And all you're going to put for your text is the phrase that we wrote. So if I go on here, that was where I had said, como pollo en el restaurante. And I can copy that, and I can paste it right here. And you'll see now when you hover over that, it'll show you como pollo en el restaurante. You need to do at least 2 of them like that. The other option we have that you need to do 2 of is you need to, we'll delete this tag here and create another one. I want one with text and media, and I want this one to have a picture or a video, your choice. So you'll still have the same idea. You'll have a title, and your title will be Como Pollo en el Restaurante. But I also want you to include either a picture of somebody eating chicken in a restaurant or a video of someone eating. So we can search the photos here for eat chicken. And it looks like we got this little girl here eating chicken. That's perfect. All right, so that is, you need 2 of those. All right, finally, I want you to add a tag with text and media. And for this last option, what I want is for you to include the sentence and upload yourself speaking it. So you'll allow it to use your microphone, and you'll speak it. Como pollo en el restaurante. And now this one will have the audio
Use your
attached
microphone, and you'll speak it.
A little something extra there, but it does say como pollo en el restaurante when I'm done. All right, place it over the top of the Italian restaurant. So again, you're going to do at least 2 of each one of those. So that's perfect if you chose the 6 for 75%. I hope you picked more than that, though. When you're done, you click done, and you're going to share And all you have to do is share the link. You copy it here. And just like we've done so many times before, you're going to head over to Google Classroom and click on Add or Create and paste the link right there.